Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the Levoit. Jump into the comments and let me know.
Could it also be Levoit? Which one is it?
Technically it's Levoit, but I think people just pronounce as they see. Levoit Core 300S Smart Air Purifier. We're going to have a look around the actual device itself, and also the fact that it's smart. It has its own, it works via the VeSync app. So let's get started. So, fairly basic cardboard box. As mentioned, it's the Levoit Core 300S Smart Purifier. Woman founded and dedicated to clean air. It serves modern users and relays industry standards with thoughtful, innovative designs so everybody can be comfortable in their own homes. So you can see the power display. It's a 39 watt. Dimensions 22 by 22 by 36 in height. 2.7 kgs. And some of the, you're getting the updates, PM 2.5 values in the app, which we already have from the Cosori Tower air fryer. There's auto mode, there's built-in timers, 3 fan speeds, sleep mode, smart control, display lock, and then a 2-year limited warranty. And you can get the app down there. And popping it open, we're going to go through each of the sections on the actual. You need to remove the plastic packaging and reinsert the filter back in. Quick start guide there. Manual. Then we have some store packaging. Nothing else in the box. So turn it upside down, one-handed, as always, folks. Not too bad. Left-handed as well. And to open, lock it that way. And you've got that filter. It's a 3-stage. There's a number of different types of filters. Well, that's fully sealed. Okay, it's a fully sealed. And so the handle goes up the way. Use only official filters. And then it's locked in. It has the locking symbol up here. This has to match up with the locking symbol on the side. Okay, let's get it plugged in. There's the quick start guide actually. And then there's a little satisfying. Good size lead actually on it. And it's a 360 degree, so it takes in the air from the bottom through the filter and then out through the top, and they reckon to leave 15 inches either side. It's about 38 centimeters, so that there is proper airflow around it. It also covers, size-wise, in feet, it's 1,095 square feet. It says it's effective for 50 square meter room, and they can do that twice an hour, or a 100 square meter room once an hour. So about 100 square meters that's the largest room that they'd recommend for this. Okay, let's plug it in and start going through some of the features on the top, but also via the app. So you can see the Levoit branding there, and on the other side, you can see that AirSight Plus. It's a separate monitor. Actually works off its separate motor, and that'll report on the app as to the air quality within the room that you've positioned the fan in, or the air purifier in. On the top, nice simple display, power on. This illuminated ring on the outside is dictating as to, you can hear So this illuminated ring on the outside will change color depending on the air quality. So blue is very good, green is good, amber is not great, and red is lots of pollution in the air. A couple of different fan speeds. So you just press that and it increases to number 2, 3. There's a lot of air being moved through there, and then back down again. There is an auto mode, and that's just taking this into account as well as the sensor. You can have the display light turned off. You can hold down and lock the screen if you've got little ones around the place, and that will, you can see it blinking away there. So I can't press anything else then. I just have to hold that down again, and it will release the rest of the. There is a timer mode up to 12 hours. You have to cycle through it. That's different on the app, obviously. And you can bring it back. You can hold it down, it'll go faster. Then there's a nighttime mode. And so that will turn off the display, put it into a very low fan speed. I think it's about 22 decibels. And then to turn that off, you have to go and press the fan button. So that's the panel on the top of it. There is a Levoit 300, so it doesn't have the smart features, app, etc. So that would pretty much be what that looks like, and then turn it off. So let's have a look at the app.
So with the VeSync app, you can see Smart Home Tested is the parent account. We have the Turbo Tower Pro Smart, but we then have the Core 300S series. So when we click on that, this is what it looks like when it's plugged in and not turned on. It's still picking up that PM 2.5, and it's telling me that it is very good. The environment that the fan is currently played in. Top right-hand corner, we can click on the settings wheel. And within that settings feature, then I can change the name, the icon. I thought this only came in white, but it looks like it comes in a couple of different colors, a gray and a black. So I can choose the photo for that. Voice commands via Alexa and Google. With that, you can say turn it on or turn it off. You can adjust the fan speed. You can change the mode, and then you can turn on or off the display. Alexa is nearly similar, on, off, fan speed and mode. You can't do anything with the display via the Alexa voice command. Then we have the device info, and so within that, then you can see time, date, the if Wi-Fi we're connected to, the firmware, etc. Buy a new filter and filter life. So that's really good that it's tracking and monitoring that. The units, then you can have it depending on what market you're in, imperial, metric, or other. And then the air quality notification, you can have that on or off. And so that sends a pop-up to your phone via the VeSync app. The schedule, you can add a schedule. So whether that's standalone or weekly, you can turn it on and off the device. You can have separate modes, the display on, display off. So very cool that you can do all this if you know you're doing certain stuff at certain times and you want the air purifier on. So scheduling option is there if you want it as well. And you can see we created one. You can turn it on or off. And with that, then scrolling up, you can see display on or off. And when it turned on, you can see fan spinning, it taking in that. And then you can have low, medium, high, automatic or sleep are the options for the fan speed. The filter life, PM5 data when it starts collecting, the cumulative running time, and the cumulative purified air in cubic meters. Whether you have the display on or off, the display locked, and then the auto mode settings as what you want them to be. And then on the right hand side, you can have a timer option then, as well as the schedule option. That is the app, the VeSync app, and connecting to the Core 300S series Smart Air Purifier.
So with the filter, it is a 3-stage filter. It is the outside filter is for larger particles. Then there's a HEPA filter in the second middle layer, and on the inside there is an activated carbon filter. You can get 4 different types of these filters, which is the original one. Then there is a pet and allergy and dander specific filter. There is a toxic air high pollution filter, and then what is the last one? And then there's also a mold filter as well. So interesting that they're doing 4 different types, I suppose, depending on your circumstance. But you can also vacuum the exterior of this. They reckon to do that every 2 to 4 weeks. And they say that if it's on, it will, on all the time, that you'll get between 6 and 8 months on the actual filter. So
that's the filter. Hopefully you've enjoyed that review of the Levoit 300 Core 300S Smart Air Purifier. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. Hit the like button, leave a comment, share the video, hype the video, and remember, follow Smart Home Tested for the smart life simplified.